Hey everyone! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be talking about how to boost your English reading comprehension using the 80-20 rule. We'll see how focusing on the main structure of a sentence can save you 80% of the time and help you better understand what you're reading. Many students read articles in a kinda inefficient way, which I call linear reading. Check out this sentence. Linear reading is when you read from the beginning of the sentence to the end of the sentence. This often leads to two outcomes. One, you don't understand the sentence, and looking up words doesn't help. Two, you kind of get it, but can't really summarize it neatly. Some students like to analyze grammar when reading. This can help with understanding, but not everyone has a clear concept of grammar, and even if you do, this method can be super time-consuming and exhausting. It's great for practicing grammar, but it will slow you down during a test. So let's check out the best method, sentence structure simplification reading. To boost your comprehension, focus on finding the subject-verb structure, which I call the main structure, and ignore distractions. For the example sentence, the simplified version is: the fact led many analysts to the mistaken assumption. If you want to dig deeper, you can examine which fact and which assumption are being referred to. Here are some exercises for you. Simplify the following sentences. Keep practicing this 80-20 rule, and you'll see your understanding of complex sentences grow over time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. Bye!